Hi there. I'd like to show you how to reorder people in the page builder using a post module. See, people are individual posts within the database, and WordPress sort of has a default way of showing them. Um, and the page builder can set certain ways to show them too. So like right here, it's being ordered by the date by default that it was entered in descending order. So rather than using date, it might be better to use, you know, alphabetical order. We actually use meta values here. So if you use meta value, let's say you want to go by person last name, you would type in person underscore last name. And now you'll see it's actually in reverse alphabetical order. So this needs to be ascending. And there we go. Now it's in alphabetical order by last name. Now let's say you had a very specific order that you wanted people to go in. Maybe that has something to do with what title they have or what their position is. So you could actually, instead of matching an entire team, you could say you wanted to match specific people. Let's say we wanted to start with Heather Smith. And then, so now there's just Heather Smith. Doug Johnson was another one, right? So you could enter his name in next. Um, and now you'll see that they're not in the same order that I was in because they're still being sorted by this meta value, the person last name. You can also do person first name, by the way. But what we really want is to go by selection order. So that's going to go in the order that I've selected them, Heather Smith and then Doug Johnson. Let's see here, let's add Tammy. There's Tammy, and so on. So if you can go through and add all of them manually, and that's a great way to just sort of manually determine what order those people need to be in. When you're all done, you would hit save. I'm going to hit cancel because that's going to undo all the changes that I just made on this client site. But you would hit save and then you hit done, publish, and then your changes would be live then. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us in the chat. Thanks.